Hi Aquarians, welcome back to my place. Essential Speaks Messages, Gypsy Witch Tarot. Sending you love all the way from India. Follow me on Instagram. Thank you for donations, subscriptions, likes, shares, and many of people around on my subscribers. I feel like they're not getting notified. I feel there is a problem on YouTube. I feel something is happening. People are not getting notified. If this is on other channels as well, I experience that actually. And please YouTube fix this, okay? Because as per the subscribers, the views should go up, right? And my work is not reaching to as many people as it should. However, we're going to start your timeless readings, okay? I feel like love matters are getting crispy, and there is something kind of like emotional situation that might be happening around you, or maybe as an individual you're feeling very emotional. However, I kind of heard kind of like a bell, but not exactly the bell, not like that, not something like in areas or hanging somewhere. No, this was in the form of like pendant, okay? And it was like round, spherical, and I was like making sound, dun, dun, very like in ghungru. Have you heard about ghungru? Classical dancers, or classical dancers, just to explain you, they tie that in the leg near the ankle area, many layers, and then when they dance, then chun, ch, ch. It's not pile, it's not anklet, it's ghungru, okay? But what I saw was sort of like spherical, but you can wear it here, okay, like a necklace. It was single piece. I feel like someone is calling you. Might not be here right now, but the calling is in like higher versions, vibrations. Possible people are going through awakenings, okay? But I also kind of get this vibe of someone's presence. I don't know who this person is. With this sound, I feel it's a calling, okay, of some sort. Especially with Knight of Cups energy. Sometimes I don't even like giving signs, but there are. So Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I just want to read it like messages and vibrations, and that's it. Okay, nothing specific to signs, but yes, I understand the curiosity connected. So again, some have been asking that I need to do please the reading on SSR. Kindly understand, if there is no calling, I cannot do it. I cannot pressurize this and do it. I understand your emotions. I did many readings prior, but I feel like he doesn't want to get disturbed, okay? And if there is a calling, I'll definitely do it. Please understand that, okay? I don't want to exceed this something right now. Let's get into the reading, but I feel there's a like jingle, dun, 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 as if like the calling is for future, okay? Again, there is Knight of Swords energy. There's going to be something before you even open the door, before you even realize it's blink, jingle is happening, like dun, dun, it's going to come, okay? Or someone throat is saying, throat chakra is getting awakened. It's like someone need to speak something, or there's going to be conversation here. There's a knight approaching towards you. There is someone approaching, may not be so close to you, but you know this person. This may be the startup of something. Again, you have Ace of Swords energy, something that's gonna start, some conversation here, real time, high time conversation, okay? You people are connected from somewhere. So there's no duality to this. There is just this. It is. Something is. I'm taking these cards out as Knight of Cups, as Knight of Swords energy, okay? Fast approach, and it doesn't matter, but we need to. We need to. Ten of Pentacles, someone need to settle things with you. They want to talk to you. It doesn't matter. Seven of Swords, they want to talk to you. This may be something that they need to figure out about you, or you need to figure out about this person. This may be about reality of this commitment. Someone may be hiding something from you. and they are coming. There's a communication coming, I'm telling you that. Let me take out cards and then I'm going to take out connecting cards, okay? You have 9 of Pentacles. Someone over here is single, not dating anyone, not into anything, just busy working, establishing themselves. Single and talking. Someone may need your advice very fast. Counseling, something like that. There may be inflow of money. You're getting adored if this is work related. You're establishing something, buying home, or maybe dealing with property or investment of something. But I also feel it's about sudden decisions on something. It's going to be inherited, possibly you're going to receive, possible emotional inclination as well. This may be a Piscean. For some, there was moon at the end. That's why. Okay. Someone is saying, I can't do that. I just said inside. I whispered, I can't do that. I don't know who can do that, what. Possible they want to talk and you are like, I can't do that. I cannot lie. I cannot lie. You are in relationship. If someone is in relationship and you are single, supposedly, then you said, I can't lie. I cannot and I don't want to. Someone who is interested in you, this may be again Gemini, Libra, or an Aquarius. This may be your own energy as well in the future and you're looking to your decisions. But there is someone you are going to talk. This may be again Gemini, Libra, if not Aquarius. This can be because this is air, of course. But there is someone who is interested in talking to you, but you don't know. I can do it. Two of Swords, you can do it. Possible, your energy is like that. You have doubts, you can do it. 10 of Pentacles, it's for the sake of something. Family, love, relationship, friendship. There's an offer. 4 of Cups. But it doesn't feel right to you, possible. Something that doesn't feel. We're going to take out few cards and I'm going to shuffle, cut the deck and then take out, okay? I feel like. Okay, they're giving me flips. There's someone who does want to meet you or talk to you or spend more time or reunite. But someone is interested definitely. They're getting attracted and inclined towards you. Ace of Cups and my eyes were on Knight of Cups. You have Ace of Cups flip. There is love. You can do it, but this is coming, okay? There is love offer. Knight of Swords. This may be the bounce. This may be something that someone is getting attracted to you. May not feel right. Capricorn, maybe. I had eyes on Knight of Swords. The Devil. Something that might not be right or not as per. This may be bounce possible. This may be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. There is some communication coming fast and they're not even thinking about their move, like they are going to send you the message. Love offer coming, definitely. There may be choice. Now choice means there may be people, like 2 energies. 1 of Cup, like water, or Sword, okay? What's Ace of Swords? But you're going to talk. Ace of Swords is possible expression of something, like expression of their feelings. This may be, we're going to see. I wanted to cut the deck. I'm going to. Okay. 4 piles. Collaborating them. Let's see. on Ace of Swords. I heard the word someone is like sort of dying to connect, like, you know, desperate. You have the Empress. Something important someone need to discuss with you. Important conversation entering, initiation. Someone who is seeking you. One more card. Queen of Cups. Someone who is seeking you, wanting to give you their cup. Maybe Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You're having conversation with them. Someone who might be connected with you at home, possible. Your sibling, possible. Sister, mother. Someone who feels inclined towards you and they love talking. I'm sorry, I'm having hiccups. And they love talking to you. Having hiccup. Who is missing me? I'm going to shuffle. There may be Six of Cups, a bounce from past, resurgence, or just a memory lane that you are going to something. It's also a word coming like a reincarnation, I don't know. There is Six of Cups, okay? Let me cut the deck again. In 3. 10 of Pentacles. 10 of Pentacles is in your future as well. 10 of Pentacles, like not 10 of Pentacles, sorry, Queen of Swords is in your future as well. Specific, possible for some, however it goes. But Queen of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. There is someone, this may be your own situation, you're getting stabilized, buying some home, investing, understanding your zone more, understanding your relationship more here. Let's see on 7 of Swords. You have 7 of Wands energy. How to approach you, possible, or you are feeling like how to break this point. What's this? Page of Rods, which is Wand energy, fire, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. There's a message there, but you don't believe it. Okay? It's conversation, communication. Something is coming, move. Let's see on 9 of Pentacles. Knight of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy, but that's your pickup energy as well. Knight of Pentacles is telling me something that was left is taking a pickup, like offer, proposal, phase, anything, zone. The Sun, in the hope. Someone is hoping to connect with you or seeing the future with you. Sun may be Leo, but hope, okay? Also your work is picking up, which is very good. With the 10 of Pentacles, I see you are at stable position. I can do it. What you can do it. Look, on 2 of Swords, I can do it. You got Knight of Swords. It's your energy as well, or maybe a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. You can hurt someone can't hurt you, and someone is hurting themselves. Possible they're getting hurt because they want to talk or you want to talk, but who can do it? 6 of Cups. 4 of Pentacles, someone is in someone's mind still lingering on, possible, or can't forget about it, or someone is entering in your aura or want to enter. I have still some questions on 7 of Swords, okay? Because you have 7 of Swords, 7 of Wands, Page of Rods. Stop. 6 of Swords, trying to break free from something, or it's just 6 of Swords that something is coming towards you. Someone is traveling, talking to you, wanting to talk. Someone is offering you something when you are away, or you have distanced yourself and now they are following you, or offering you something, or wanting to offer you something, or someone is traveling because of work. However, you're stuck with emotions, or you're stuck here. The Hangman kind of energy is like about just thinking, okay? Thinking about the offer to make a move, thinking about love offer possible. You don't believe this person totally. Journey. Someone is going to travel, you or the other person, or possible distancing yourself. I'm not taking that card. Let's see in your future. Tell me I want to. Someone's gonna have a big fortune coming, okay? And that's going to, like, if this side is not going so well, emotional, but fortune is coming all the way, you're happy. You're going to have gifts, okay? So fortune, love, and everything. Someone is in like, okay, you know, luxury and everything, possible relationship, but that doesn't make you feel good. You're in luxury, money is coming, guys. Money is in flow. Money possible through your work, online, freelancing, donations, subscription, whatever you do. That's money. Money is yours. It's coming. Okay. You can now count, like actually. What's in love? Someone who is rich is coming. Gift. Something will be presented to you. Possible ring. Possible love. Possible gifts. Anything. Ooh. I started your reading with that kind of like pendant bell. You might get that, or someone will ask you that, okay? Or this is the sign of from top, and you're going to get gift, money, everything, fortune. Okay, so what's that? I want to ask. Bell ring. I feel for many of you it's going to be your calling, the star. Okay, it's going to be it's like the bell and it's going to be destiny connection. You were destined to meet this person, so some of you are going to meet. Page of Cups. Love is coming. Someone's going to express something possible. It's going to be unexpected possible. Okay, the one who flew away possible want to come. I don't know what you're going to do with that. This may be an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, you're still single and going to be remaining about the moment. But it's coming. I'm keeping the card back. Doesn't feel like. You have major cards. Remember that. Wow. 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 You have the Star Major, you have the Tower Major. It's going to be unexpected and someone's gonna fly from somewhere in order to talk to you. I don't know why, but they're going to. So maybe real-time meeting, or you people are in you know, higher energy levels. You're touching each other's life and you're going to explore something with this person. You have Ace of Swords. You're going to talk to them. Very clear, crisp connection here happening. More talk. Knight of Swords, someone can stay away and they want to talk. More talk. Flight is here. This may be an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius possible. Maybe a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. This may be the one who lied to you or did the cover up. Three of Chalices. Sudden contact or reunion, kindred spirits coming together. Three of Chalices, celebration of some sort after the stressful time or something. Friends meeting, okay? If there's an invitation, go, enjoy. Stay safe, wear mask, do something. And this is something destined. This is going to take a flight. This is Three of Chalices. It was destined. Take care, guys. I love you. See you soon. Bye.